Hey guys, this is part 12 of the Android 2 main tutorial series. I'll be showing you how to make an app that a user can interact with. Create a project and head over to the activity main XML file. Now this will be a simple app where the user can increase or decrease a number by 1. Create a text view and set the text to 0 and set the ID to output. Now create two buttons, set the text and the ID of the first button to increase, and finally set the text and ID of the second button to decrease. Now we are ready to create our application. Head over to the main activity Java file and delete the default code. First, we need to create a member variable which will hold our text views and buttons. Now store the increase button in its variable, the decrease button in its variable, and finally store the text view in its variable. Now, how do we know when the increase or decrease button has been clicked? The answer is methods. You can create a method that when either of these buttons are clicked, the methods will be called. Let's create a method for the increase button. It is public because the method will be called by another class that has detected the button click. Now within the parentheses, write view space v. We'll discover what this means in the next part. Now create the same for the decrease button. Now we need to tell the buttons which methods to inform when they have been clicked. Head over to the XML file and set the onClick attributes for each button to the correct method. The final thing we need to do in this tutorial is add 1 to the text views when the increase button has clicked and take away 1 when the decrease button has been clicked. Let's start with the increase button. Create a variable that will store the current number in the text view. .getText is used to get the text in a text that the text view holds. However, there's a problem with this because .getText returns a string. We need to convert the string to an int, and we can do that using integer.parseInt. So now we have our number and we need to add 1 to it, then display it in the text view. Now remember, we cannot display ints directly in the text view, so we have to convert it to a string by adding plus followed by double quotes. Repeat the same thing for the decrease method, except this time take away 1, run the program, and you should see it works. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.